Much of the music that I've written and recorded over the last 20 years has been inspired by the wonderful nature and landscapes of the Highlands of Scotland. And I guess one of the disadvantages of the lockdown has been, without not being able to see friends and family, has been not being able to go out and explore the wonderful natural world that we live in here. And so hopefully we'll get on the other side of that very soon. I'm going to play you a couple of tunes that were inspired by a place called Sandwood Bay, which was the focus of my last album. I spent 18 months going back to Sandwood Bay, which is in the northwest tip of the Highlands of Scotland. And it's a beautiful arc of sand, very inspirational place, the remotest beach on the British Isles. And it was a huge inspiration for me. So I'm going to play you two tunes from that album just now. And the first one I wrote after a very stormy day up there on Sandwood, and it's called Haze Across the Sun. And then an equally but much warmer storm in the summer, and it's called Perfect Storm.